today's read aloud, we are going to be listening to the story, Diary of a Worm. So, before we begin reading, I would like for you to make a prediction. I know there's not a picture, but use what you know about the word diary and use what you know about the word worm in the title to make a prediction. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video, but let's go ahead and get started on the story, Diary of a Worm. So, as we're listening to the story, I also want you to focus on, is this story a fantasy? Yes or no? And if you think yes, listen to the story and think of the different reasons why you think it is a fantasy. And if you think no, then think of a reason why you don't think it's a fantasy, okay?
March 20th. Mom says there are 3 things I should always remember. 1, the earth gives us everything we need. 2, when we dig tunnels, we help take care of the earth. Must make tunnel help earth breathe. 3, never bother Daddy when he's eating the newspaper. March 29th. Today I tried to teach Spider how to dig. First, all of his legs got stuck. I think I twisted one of my ankles.
So, right here, Spider is playing with Worm, and he twisted his ankles, and they're like playing a game, right? Does that seem real? Would that really happen? Thumbs up or down. And then notice in a moment, Worm is wearing a little baseball hat. Is that real? Can that really happen?
Then he swallowed a bunch of dirt. I give up. Tomorrow he's going to teach me how to walk upside down. March 30th. Worms cannot walk upside down. Here's a baby picture of me.
So here's a baby picture of the worm and his dad. Do worms take family photos? And do they keep them in a diary or a photo album? No, that's not real. And do worms keep a diary with different things that they do each day? I don't think so. Let's keep reading.
Dad. April 4th. Fishing season started today.
Did you guys hear something?
They all dug deeper. April 10th. It rained all night and the ground was soaked. We spent the entire day on the sidewalk. Hopscotch is a very dangerous game. My first tunnel. First day of school. April 15th. I forgot my lunch today. I got so...
Did you notice that the worm's mom wrote him a note? Do worms' parents write them notes for lunch? No.
Hungry that I ate my homework. My teacher made me write, I will not eat my homework 10 times. When I was finished, I ate that too. April 20th. I snuck up on some kids in the park today. They didn't hear me coming. I wriggled up right between them and they screamed. I love when they do that. Bees stung me. My favorite pile of dirt. May 1st. Grandpa taught us that good manners are very important. So today I said good morning to the first ant I saw. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Good morning. Nice to see ya. Howdy. Good morning. How's it going? Fine day. Looking good. Hello there. Good morning. There were 600 more of them in line. I stood there all day. May 8th. Had the worst nightmare last night. Giant birds playing hopscotch. Mom says I have to stop eating so much garbage right before I go to bed. Me and Spider. Spider made this for me. May 15th. I got into a fight with Spider today. He told me you need legs to be cool. Then he ran. I couldn't keep up.
Do you think worms and spiders race for fun? Thumbs up for yes and thumbs down for no. No, that's not real.
Maybe he's right. May 16th. I made Spider laugh so hard, he fell out of his tree. Who needs legs? My own comic. May 28th. Last night I went to the school dance. You put your head in, you put your head up. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself about. That's all we could do. I found this really cool rock.
Is this a rock? No. What is it? It's a baseball, but he doesn't know that because he's a worm, right?
Isn't this leaf awesome?
Is this a leaf? No, this is a part of a $20 bill that looks like it got ripped up.
June 5th. Today we made macaroni necklaces in art class. I brought mine home and we ate it for dinner.
You're very talented.
My sister's slumber party. June 15th. My older sister thinks she's so pretty. I told her that no matter how much time she spends looking in the mirror, her face will always look just like her rear end. Spider thought that was really funny. Mom did not. July 4th. When I grow up, I want to be a Secret Service agent. Spider says I will have to be very careful because the president might step on me by mistake. It's a dangerous job, I told him, but someone's got to do it. My report card.
Do worms get a report card? No. Do they even go to school? No. Right here it says comments. Works well with others and shows a great interest in all subjects. Needs to resist eating homework. Because remember he likes to eat his homework. So far, is the different things that are happening in the story, the different events, are they real or are they fake? Fantasy? Hope you have your thumbs down. So far, everything seems fantasy, fake.
July 28th. 3 things I don't like about being a worm. 1, I can't chew gum. 2, I can't have a dog. Can we keep him, Mom? 3, all that homework. July 29th. 3 good things about being a worm. 1, I never have to go to the dentist.
No cavities. No teeth either.
2, I never get in trouble for tracking mud through the house. 3, I never have to take a bath. Who's my grubby little boy? August 1st. It's not always easy being a worm. We're very small. And sometimes people forget that we're even here. But like Mom always says, the Earth never forgets we're here. I get the feeling I'm being watched.
All right. Well, this story, Diary of a Worm, I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's a really fun little story, really cute little story. I'd like for you to take a moment and think of the different events that happened throughout the story from the beginning, middle, and end. I'll give you a moment to think about it. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video. But now that you've thought of the different events in the story, or at least some of them, think to yourself, okay, were those different events that happened to the characters, were they real or were they fake? Could that actually happen? Or no, that is made up. Think to yourself. All right, now that you thought about that, on the next slide, you're going to have your reading discussion where you get to talk about this story. Is this story fantasy? Yes, no? Why do you think that? All right, you'll get that opportunity on the next slide. I hope you enjoyed today's Read Aloud.